Let's begin with the interior. Coming to the crash pad area, the model features ambient lighting that enhances the overall cabin atmosphere. The vehicle is designed with a 5-seat capacity, and at the driver's position, I have integrated a Trinity monitor setup, giving the dashboard a modern and futuristic appearance. The car is also equipped with a working suspension system that allows the wheels to absorb movement realistically. The model can move both forward and in reverse, powered by electric motors and controlled remotely. When the car moves in reverse, the 2 rear brake lights illuminate along with the high-mounted 3rd brake light located on the upper side of the tailgate. This model features a functional steering mechanism. Whenever the steering is turned, the synchronized indicator lights activate automatically, similar to a real vehicle. At the rear, the model includes a fully functional tailgate. Using the remote control, the tailgate can be opened and closed smoothly. When the tailgate opens, the luggage compartment lamp automatically turns on, and it switches off when the tailgate is closed. Another highlight of this model is the dual-pane panoramic sunroof. The sunroof can slide smoothly through the body of the car. When the sunroof closes, the interior room lamp turns on, and when the sunroof opens, the lamp automatically turns off.